Hello delegates, how are you? My name's Matt Burns. I'm a primary teacher, a stage coordinator here at William Carey Christian School. I've been flipping the classroom for 6 years now, and I've got plenty of experience in leading fellow primary teachers and secondary teachers in flipping their classroom. So come along, let's learn a few things together. I guess the question is, why would you flip the classroom? Well, the most obvious answer is, why on earth not? Almost all the qualitative and the quantitative data that's out there, and we'll look at plenty of it, shows that students prefer this model of instruction and they actually do better. That means they tend to learn quite a bit more. So if that's not a good enough reason why, then goodness me, I don't know what is. Look, things have changed. We've got Wi-Fi, we've got YouTube, and most students have got personal devices these days. So with that trio in play, that should lead to big changes in our classroom. How are you going to flip the classroom? How are you going to flip the primary classroom? Well, there's many different ways, and we can look at some of those ways in our cohort session. So do come along, and together let's explore some of the basic ways that you can expand your flipping of your K-6 classroom, or if you're a beginner, how you can just start. Perhaps you're concerned because, I don't think that primary students should be busy watching videos in class or at home. Fair enough, but there's plenty of data out there that shows that flipping the classroom using videos, I'm very passionate about that. I think you'll find using videos to flip the classroom, using videos, particularly via YouTube, actually starts to infiltrate the screen time of students. So instead of watching, instead of watching Fortnite videos, they're actually watching me videos of them completing maths. Look, the reality is that screens are a part of the age that we exist in, and using screens, you can provide a personalised, differentiated experience for students of any age in moderation. How can we best use screens to teach our students, to help them to learn? Well, let's look at that. So we are going to be busy bees in this session, guys. It's not going to be a talk fest. Sure, there's going to be questions. Sure, there's going to be answers as well. But we're going to get busy and we're going to make some actual learning videos, some screencasts, whatever. Some learning videos that we can use in our classrooms or out of our classrooms in order to help students learn. Let's get practical. And there's a bunch of other stuff as well. There's too much to talk about. We're going to look at some of the best ways you can flip your classroom, some of the best ways we can use flipped mastery in the classroom, some of the best ways we can negotiate the common problems and challenges of the flipped classroom. We're going to look at just how we can do it better. I'm going to listen to your questions and I'm going to answer them in the most lucid and engaging and clear way as possible. So do come along to flipping the K-6 classroom at RESCON this year. I would love to see you there. Cheers.